Imagine earning money online without spending a single penny up front. No expensive courses, no advanced equipment, just you, your internet connection, and the willingness to start. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. The online world offers endless opportunities for anyone willing to put in the effort, and in today's video, I'm sharing 3 beginner-friendly methods that require zero investment. Yes, zero. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for extra income, these methods are designed to work for everyone. Here's why this video is worth your time. These aren't outdated strategies or gimmicks. These are practical, proven ways to earn money that many people are already using. So grab a notebook because by the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to kickstart your online earning journey. And make sure to stay until the end because I'll share tips to maximize your success and avoid common pitfalls. Let's dive in. The first method is taking online surveys. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can surveys really make me money? The answer is yes, but let me clarify. It's not going to make you rich. However, it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Here's how it works. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback to improve their products or services. To get this feedback, they rely on survey platforms like Swagbucks, Toluna, and Survey Junkie, which connect them with people like you. So, what kind of surveys can you expect? Some might ask about your shopping habits, favorite brands, or even your opinions on future trends. Each survey usually takes around 10 to 20 minutes and pays between $1 and $5. If you dedicate just 1 hour a day, you could easily earn $50 to $100 a month. That's not bad for simply sharing your opinions. Plus, many of these platforms offer additional rewards like gift cards and cashback options. Now let's talk about how to get started with online surveys. First, you'll need to sign up on reputable platforms. I recommend starting with Swagbucks, perfect for beginners and offers multiple earning methods like surveys, videos, and shopping rewards. Survey Junkie, focused purely on surveys and pays in cash or gift cards. Toluna, offers a mix of surveys, polls, and contests with decent payouts. Once you're signed up, complete your profile as accurately as possible. Why? Because survey platforms use this information to match you with surveys that fit your demographic. The more complete your profile, the more opportunities you'll unlock. Also, be honest when answering surveys. Companies value genuine feedback, and dishonesty can lead to account suspension. And here's a pro tip. Use a separate email address for signing up. This helps you keep track of survey invitations without cluttering your primary inbox. Next on the list is freelance writing. If you enjoy writing or have a knack for words, this is a fantastic way to earn money. Businesses, blogs, and websites are constantly looking for fresh content, whether it's articles, product descriptions, or social media posts. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert writer to start. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to offer your writing services. On Fiverr, for example, beginner writers often charge $5 to $20 per article, but as you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can increase your rates significantly. High-quality writers often earn $50 to $100 per piece. Writing isn't just about creativity, it's also about delivering value. Understand your clients' needs, meet deadlines, and always proofread your work. Happy clients will leave positive reviews, which can attract even more clients. To succeed in freelance writing, you'll need to continuously improve your skills. Here's how. Learn writing basics. Platforms like Skillshare and Coursera offer excellent free courses to help you master grammar, storytelling, and SEO writing. Practice regularly, write daily, even if it's just a short blog post or journal entry. Use tools. Free tools like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor will help you polish your work and make it client-ready. When it comes to finding clients, Fiverr and Upwork are great starting points, but don't forget about specialized platforms like TextBroker and iWriter. Build a strong profile, showcase your best work, and watch the opportunities roll in. The third method is becoming a virtual assistant, or VA for short. As a VA, you'll help businesses with administrative tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, or even handling social media. It's one of the most in-demand jobs in the online world. Why is this role so popular? Because it offers flexibility and variety. One day, you might be organizing a calendar. The next, you're creating social media posts. Beginner VAs can earn anywhere from $10 to $30 per hour, and experienced professionals can charge upwards of $50 an hour. All you need to get started is strong organizational and communication skills. If you're tech savvy, that's a bonus, as many VAs use tools like Google Workspace, Trello, and Slack to manage their tasks. To become a virtual assistant, start by learning the essentials through free resources on YouTube or blogs, practicing key tools like Google Workspace, Trello, and Slack to streamline tasks, signing up on platforms like Belay, Fancy Hands, or Freelancer.com to find jobs. Make sure your profile highlights your skills, such as organization, time management, and problem solving. Testimonials or references can also boost your credibility. There you have it. 3 proven ways to start making money online with zero investment. Surveys, writing, and virtual assistants are beginner-friendly options with limitless potential. My advice? Pick one method that aligns with your interests and focus on mastering it before moving on to others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future content. Drop a comment below to let me know which method you're going to try first. Until next time, happy earning!